On May 22, 2019, the Blinn College District joined Texas A&M University system officials as they broke ground on the Agriculture and Workforce Education Complex located on the 2,000-acre Rellis campus in Bryan, Texas. This 38,000 square foot complex provides a state-of-the-art facility where students will prepare for high-demand careers in secondary education and the construction industries. The $15 million facility is the result of a collaborative effort of the Texas A&M system, the Texas A&M University Department of Agricultural Leadership, Education, and Communications, and the Blinn College District. The future home of the Texas A&M Agricultural Science Program will prepare and place agricultural science teachers into high school classrooms across the state of Texas. It also will serve as home to Blinn College's workforce training offerings, including advanced manufacturing, welding, carpentry, and HVAC. The 16,000 square foot building will include 5 demonstration and traditional classrooms, teaching and simulation technology, a seminar room, a computer classroom, faculty offices, and space for students to collaborate on projects. The facility also includes the 11,000 square foot agricultural trades pavilion and the 11,000 square foot construction trades pavilion, which will serve as large open laboratory spaces for students to work on full-scale projects. Expected to be completed in June 2020, the Agriculture and Workforce Education Complex is certain to be yet another memorable milestone in the partnership between the Texas A&M University system and the Blinn College District.